Time for a touch-up? Clairol Root Touch-Up by Nice and Easy features a colorist-inspired application system for an easy salon-inspired touch-up to erase roots and grays in just 10 minutes. So say goodbye to roots with confidence. Step 1. Prepare the color. Put on colorist gloves and place the mixing tray on a flat, stable surface. Pour the permanent color cream into the mixing tray. Then, add the color activating lotion. Use the expert control brush to mix the contents together until the color is completely blended. Brush dry hair into preferred style. Using the expert control brush, part your hair with the styling tip. Then, apply color to your most visible roots at the hairline, around the face, part, and temples. When applying color, make sure to saturate your most visible roots with color. Leave on for 10 minutes. If your grays are really stubborn, or if you're using a light blonde shade, it may be necessary to leave color on for up to 15 minutes. Last, rinse hair with warm water until the water runs clear. Style as usual. No need to shampoo. Color lasts up to 3 weeks and provides 100% gray coverage. Designed to match leading shades, even salon color, Clairol Root Touch-Up by Nice and Easy is available in 21 shades.
Nutrisse gives my hair the color I want and the nourishment it needs. Now every time I color, I see radiant color results. So I want to share some of my at-home color tips with you too. In this quick step-by-step video, I'm going to show you how to get beautiful, long-lasting color at home. Nutrisse is easy to use. I'm a shade 50, medium brown. And the After Color Conditioner's nourishing formula is infused with ingredients like avocado oil, olive oil, and even shea oil. Inside this box are all the things I need: the cream developer, nourishing color cream, this ampule of fruit oil concentrate, nourishing conditioner, and of course, instructions and gloves. The first thing I do with any hair color is a quick skin allergy test, 48 hours before coloring. First, clean a small area of skin. It's best to test on the bend of your elbow. Mix a few drops of cream developer A and a dab of nourishing color cream B. Place a quarter-sized amount from the mixture on the inner elbow area and leave it for 48 hours. Carefully read the skin allergy test instructions on the insert. Examine the test area periodically over the next 48 hours. If you experience any of the reactions described on the insert, do not color until consulting your doctor. If you're clear 48 hours later, you're ready to go. Let's get started. I always wear a towel over my clothes to protect them. And of course, don't forget the gloves. Be sure to twist off the top of the applicator first. Now I'm going to take the Nourishing color cream and add it to the cream developer. Then I'm going to add the fruit oil concentrate C. Then I'm going to replace the applicator tip on the developer bottle, making sure to keep my finger over the tip. Cover the tip with my finger and shake super well. I'm starting with dry, detangled, unwashed hair. I'm beginning the application at the top of my head, fully saturating my hairline and temples. Once the top of my head is completely saturated, I work the color through the lengths and ends. I want to be able to feel the mixture saturate my hair all the way through. Once your hair is fully saturated, leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your grays and hair texture. I only have a few grays right now, so I'm setting my timer for 25 minutes. After the time is up, it's time to start rinsing. Let the water run through your hair until it comes out totally clear. Once you've rinsed, apply the Nourishing Conditioner D and leave it on for 2 minutes before rinsing out. This conditioner is rich with avocado, olive, and shea oils, so it feels great. Once everything is fully rinsed, I'm ready to towel dry and style my brand new colored hair. And that's it. It's really that easy. I get rich, radiant, long-lasting color that really shines, and up to 100% gray coverage. My hair feels silky and nourished, all thanks to Nutrisse. In 4 to 6 weeks, when it's time to recolor my roots, I'll follow the touch-up application section of the instruction sheet.
Okay, it's the moment we've been waiting for, opening the box. You're going to notice some changes immediately, like tube 1. It used to be a blue bottle, now it's a silver tube with these pretty flowers on it. And inside is the gentle, non-drip color cream. To open it, unscrew the cap and use the pointed cone to puncture the tube. Then you squeeze the cream into bottle number 2 with the color activator. When mixing the new cream, you won't see a big color change like you used to. It spreads easy and won't drip when you apply. But keep in mind, even though the cream is white, it can still stain your skin. So if it does drip, wipe immediately with water and a cotton ball. You'll also notice the smell is different, more of a fresh lily scent than ammonia, right? We minimize the chemical smell, but it is still working even better than before. Now it's time to begin applying your color. My number 1 tip for achieving natural looking color at home is that if you've colored your hair in the past 3 months, only put the cream on the roots and leave it there for 20 minutes. Then you can pull it through to the ends, but only leave it there for another 5 minutes, for a total time of 25 minutes. If you have really tough grays, leave the color on the roots for 30 minutes and 5 additional minutes on lengths. No need to extend your processing time because new Nice and Easy has got your stubborn grays covered in 35 minutes. When you work the color through your hair, you'll see how translucent and gentle it is. In fact, the color won't change dramatically when it's processing. Now when you rinse, it will be faster and easier than it used to be. You'll see how the color rinses lighter and the rinse water appears clear very fast. After you've rinsed, apply a quarter size amount of our CC Color Seal Conditioner and leave on for 2 minutes. When time is up, rinse. Carolina, I love your new look.
Thank you so much, Marcy. See, you get the same multi-dimensional color with the new formula.
I hope that with these pro tips and pointers, you'll love the results of the new Nice and Easy just as much as the old one. If you have any questions, concerns, or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Call 1-800-Clairol to speak directly with a Clairol color expert.